This is a quick in-hand review of this TOSLINK cable. This is a 6-foot long optical cable that I'm going to use to connect my Bose soundbar to my Samsung TV. And I just got it in, so let's take it out and see if it works. So first off, we're going to want to take off these little red protectors. Undo the twist ties. So as you can see, there is a flat part at the top and it's kind of rounded or angled off at the bottom. So you just want to make sure when you're plugging it in, you align that properly. Just like this. All right, so that is plugged in. And the other part into our TV here. Clicks in. And then check this out. This is a 6-foot cable and I've wound it out of the TV into the TV stand. It pops out of there and into the soundbar. So I thought 6 feet was going to be way too big. It ended up being just right. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of extra. So, you know, maybe I could have done fine with 5 feet, but I'm happy with this purchase. So let's try it out. All right. So it is working perfectly. Everything sounds great. Let me mute it. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. 6-foot optical cable worked out perfectly. Thanks for watching.